What is accounts payable? Accounts payable, also called AP, is the money a business owes to its suppliers or vendors for goods and services bought on credit. In simple words, accounts payable means unpaid bills of a business. When a company purchases materials or services but does not pay immediately, the amount becomes accounts payable. Accounts payable is recorded as a liability in the balance sheet. A liability means an obligation that the business must pay in the future. Accounts payable usually includes payments for raw materials, office supplies, electricity bills, and services received. For example, if a company buys goods worth $1,000 on credit, that amount becomes accounts payable until it is paid. Accounts payable is a short-term liability because it is normally paid within a few weeks or months. Managing accounts payable properly helps the company maintain good relationships with suppliers. It also helps businesses manage cash flow efficiently. The Accounts Payable Department tracks invoices, verifies bills, and makes payments on time. If payments are delayed, the company may face penalties or lose supplier trust. In simple terms, accounts payable represents money going out of the business soon. Easy way to remember. Accounts payable means money the business has to pay.